Deals do not always slip because the buyer said no. Sometimes they slip because the CRM notes are a mess and the next step disappears. Bad notes look like scattered fragments. Good call, send info, budget maybe, and follow up later. That does not protect a deal. Messy notes hide risks, stakeholders, timeline, objections, and next steps. Example notes. Buyer needs faster onboarding. CFO is involved. Budget review next week. Competitor mentioned. Follow-up due Friday. Use this prompt. Turn these sales call notes into a CRM update with summary, pain points, stakeholders, objections, timeline, risks, next step, follow-up task, and follow-up date. Do not add facts that are not in the notes. ChatGPT should structure the notes into fields instead of giving you one generic summary. Now verify names, dates, numbers, next steps, and anything AI may have misunderstood. Final update should clearly show pain, stakeholder, risk, timeline, next action, and owner. From the same output, ask ChatGPT to draft the follow-up email so your CRM and buyer message match. Save your CRM field prompt so every update follows the same structure. Paste notes, structure fields, flag risks, create tasks, draft follow-up, and review before saving. If you want the CRM cleanup prompts, grab my free guide, 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.